To all my beautiful people of YouTube, I have had so many requests to give you guys footage from the 4K gimbal that I keep talking about, and I just wanted to wait for a day when it was nice enough to where I can give you guys at least some good footage. But as always, before we get started, the name that I've chosen for today is Sophia. The name Sophia means wisdom. If you found any value out of that, or you just found that interesting, if you'd hit that like button down below, I'd really appreciate it. Just to be clear, it is a DJI Pocket 2. It is not a gimbal, like I keep saying. Gimbal is just my name for the wonderful camera. Degrees, the end of January. Technically I'm at work, but it's good today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content, and really hope it gave you more of a perspective on if you want to actually buy this wonderful little camera that's cheap and shoots in really good quality. Just remember, y'all are wonderful, in case nobody's told you today.